Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to Nadia's Kitchen Vlogs USA. Today we're here at Homegoods. I wanted to make a little vlog for you guys. They have a lot of Halloween decorations, and they were really nice. So I decided, why not, go inside Homegoods and vlog it. And right at these, like, literally entrance on your left hand side, they had all of the Halloween decorations. And then look at this, happy Halloween. They have so many different Halloween decorations. This big spider, and then there's this cat, there's this witch, the skulls, and I have to say they have really good Halloween collection. Even last year, I believe I did vlog it. I will link it down below if you guys want to see the difference between this year and last year. So they have pretty good options this year. I really like them, but I would say last year they had more options, but maybe because I believe they've already had Halloween decorations up within the last, like, I would say 2-3 weeks. They've already had Halloween decorations up, so maybe that's why a lot of it is gone. But they still have a lot of variety, like a lot of skeleton, a lot of jack-o'-lanterns, and they have different variety of jack-o'-lanterns, so that's really nice to see. And a lot of people were shopping for Halloween decorations. Like, there's a snake, there's this 3-tier jack-o'-lantern, Halloween, so many different types of Halloween items, spider to owls. They have very nice variety. And then they have these little 3 pumpkins. Saying you weren't there with us. And then I saw this. It's like a little
Ghostbusters?
Yeah, it's Ghostbusters basically. And here I am taking you guys around. They also have some Thanksgiving November fall decorations as well. Like all of these pumpkins are like for Thanksgiving vibes, not Halloween vibes. But I decided to show you guys anyways because why not? You guys see.
I wasn't there.
Yeah, because we didn't want to take you there.
Why?
Because I just didn't feel like taking you there. And it says, hello, pumpkin. Hi, pumpkin.
I'm not a pumpkin.
I know, but I will still eat you. Yum, 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 yum.
Hey, guys, pumpkins are papaya.
And no, they're not. Papaya is different. And then there's more of these Halloween decorations.
That's
they have
ghost.
all this. No, that's just a skeleton.
Yeah, that's
they
a
have
skeleton.
different skeletons.
They have
What are you going to dress up for Halloween, Zayn?
probably Ghostface or probably Ghostface or probably like a scary costume. Like
Mm-hmm.
I forgot his name. He was in a movie like Frankie. Like
Frankenstein?
He had like long nails, and he used to scratch him.
I don't know what that is. And then these are these wraiths. I think they're called wraiths. I'm not sure. They have more of this. They have the little cat you see on the right side. And then they have the ghost lantern, pumpkin lantern. And they have these really big buckets. I don't know what the buckets are
Did they
for.
have Halloween costume?
No, they didn't have any Halloween costumes at all. They had this cat, though. And then
I have a cat.
they have a pumpkin. They have this black cat on top of a pumpkin.
And we have a snowman. And we have...
Where is the snowman that you're seeing? Are you good, Zayn?
Yeah.
Yeah. Look like Zayn is seeing something. And then I saw this little snow globe. It's a snow globe.
Yes, snow globe.
Yeah.
I told you I saw a snow.
And there's more of this squishmallow type things, more jack-o'-lanterns, more skeletons, more things as you guys can see, more skulls.
More skeletons.
And
More
then there's this
pumpkins,
witch that looks just like Zayn. That witch looks just like Zayn, right?
That looks like Habiba, right,
No,
guys?
it looks like you, to be honest. So, guys, like I was saying, there's so many pumpkins. There's so many varieties, honestly. I think last year's collection was a bit better again, like I was saying. They had more of these big items. Now it's just, like, small little display items. Like these little pumpkins. I have no idea what these are. I don't celebrate Halloween personally, so... yeah, I just wanted to vlog it for you guys, for those who do celebrate Halloween. And they had this really big thing. It was like Moonlight Motel. I thought this was really cute though. Like, it was a really big knitted trick-or-treat box. And then there's this sleepy hollow bed and breakfast vacancy. It was supposed to be like some scary little hotel vibe. And then there's this. And then let me turn around and show you guys, because there's a lot of people blocking my view, so I had to like double take and stuff. So you guys can see this big spider that I couldn't show you in the beginning. And then like the 3-tier pumpkins and the 3 big witches. Kind of nasty. And then the wraiths again, I think that's what they're called. And then again on the left hand side, they had all of these Thanksgiving November vibe wreath flowers, bouquets. So I thought that was really cute, and I decided to show you guys as well. if any of you guys would be celebrating Thanksgiving, because it's almost right around the corner. September's already here, so October, November, so there's only 2 months left. 3 months technically. And then there's this really big thing that I was showing you guys on the left hand side of the entrance. It was really cool. It was this Ouija board. I think that's called a Ouija board. I've never played this, but I know a couple of my friends have. I've never really gotten a reply back to as to how it was, but I never play scary things like that. Astaghfirullah, I don't like it. And then there's like this skeleton. I think I've seen this in movies where it's filled with like potions and stuff. I'm not too sure. Correct me if I'm wrong. And then they have these 3 elephant. They have these 3 skulls that are in a suit. I don't know where elephant came from. I have no idea. And then there's RAP sign. And then there was this one as well that's like all suited and booted. And then I'm just showing you guys these glass pumpkins. I believe they're pumpkins. And they're starting at $9.99. So the deal was pretty nice. And then they were like these really cool tone colors, like blue, gray, silver, like dark purple vibes. So I thought that was really cute. I really like them. And then again, Hello Pumpkin. These were just Thanksgiving. These are just for Thanksgiving. So they have like this middle section that's like Halloween. And then on the right hand side and then the left hand side of the Halloween section, there is Thanksgiving section. So that was really cool. I really like that. And then there's these squirrel little pumpkins. So I really like it. They started Halloween decorations like a month ago or 2-3 weeks ago. I remember going, and they already had set it up. I believe 99-cent store and like CVS and every other ones also have decoration set up.